Hello. Hi, everyone. Good morning. As part of the today's lecture, I just want to explain about how to print the given numbers in an ascending order. Usually, this is the most common question that encounters in our interview. Assume that they have a given numbers as 10, 4, 5, 1, 2, 7. I just want to print it as 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 10 in this order. This order, we call it as an ascending order. And this logic can be achieved in a two ways. One is using a default method and second is without using a default methods, for which I'm just switching to my Eclipse editor to demonstrate this functionality, and I'm creating a new program for that. Okay, ascending order one, I have created a new program. And here I'm defining a variable int a of is equal to 10, 1, 2, 4, 9, 0. Assume that this is the array that I have defined. So the default method that we are going to use is arrays dot sort is a method that we are using to sort the given array. And I'm using a for loop. Int I is equal to 0. I less than a dot length and I plus plus. Sort is the default method that we have, which is gonna align that array in an ascending order. So when I run my program as a Java application, see right now the completed data was printed in an ascending order. Okay, so sort is a method that we can apply on a particular array. And so in certain scenarios, even the interviewer will ask you, okay, tell me about a default method. And of course, explain about a logic without using a default methods too. So this logic can be achieved using a two for loops. In the first for loop, you will get a value and later, and in the second for loop, you will get next value and you will compare it with the first value present in the array. If the first value is greater, then we will shuffle the values. So means the second value will be moved to first place and the first value will be moved to second place. That's it. This is a small trick that we need to apply. So for which, what I'm going to do right now means, let me copy this program and paste it again. Let me reopen this particular chunk. So here, instead of using this arrays.sort method, here I'm using a for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length and I plus plus. Now, int temp is equal to a of I. So whatever the default, the first value in an array, you are getting it. For int j is equal to I plus 1. So it means this gonna get the second value. And of course, I want to rotate this loop on all the values present in an A itself. And here is the deal. I want to compare that particular condition. A of I greater than A of a j. Here, I can also use a temp greater than this one also. I can choose either this way. If this is the case, then what I'm doing right now means, as of now, whatever the first value is there, I'm moving to the temp variable. And to the first value, I'm moving the second value. And then into the second value, I'm just appending the temporary variable. That's it. With this logic, what it's going to do means the first value as of now is going to the second place in a temporary variable. And whatever the second value is there, it's been updating to the first place in an array. And into the second place, whatever the temp value is there, that you are moving into that. Now, when I run my program as a Java application right now, that will be printing down all the values in an ascending order. So it means you can use a sort method or you can achieve it using a for loop with the help of a temporary variable. Perfect. Done the deal, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.